Hello there, viewers. Welcome to Health for You. Are you looking to bulk up fast and efficiently? Today, we're diving into 10 powerful tips that will help you gain muscle quickly and effectively. Let's get started and give your body no choice but to bulk up. Bulking up requires a strategic balance of consuming more calories than you burn and engaging in the right types of exercise. You need around 2,800 calories to gain a pound of muscle, which also promotes protein turnover, a crucial process boosted by proper training. So let's explore these essential tips that will transform your body. First and foremost, to bulk up fast, you need to increase your resistance training frequency. One of the main reasons people struggle to gain muscle mass is due to insufficient resistance training. To stimulate muscle growth, you need to train more often. Studies show that increasing resistance training volume leads to greater gains in muscle hypertrophy. Essentially, the more you train, the more muscle you'll build. Aim to complete a total of 16 to 20 sets per week for both quadriceps and hamstring exercises to achieve massive legs. Remember, while cardio is important, your primary focus should be on strength training to maximize muscle growth. Next, getting strong on compound exercises is crucial. Compound lifts, such as deadlifts, squats, and bench presses, work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them highly effective for bulking up. These exercises not only engage more muscles, but also enhance overall muscle growth and strength. Research indicates that hypertrophy muscle growth is a dominant factor in increasing strength. By incorporating compound exercises, you're setting yourself up for rapid muscle gains. Varying your rep ranges is another effective strategy. Growing muscle is possible with most rep ranges, but switching them up forces your body to utilize different muscle fibers and energy pathways, engaging more muscles. For compound movements, aim for 5 to 10 reps, while for other exercises, try experimenting with ranges like 10 to 20 or even 20 to 30 reps. This variety helps balance training intensity, volume, and recovery needs. Training closer to muscle failure is essential for bulking up quickly. Pushing your muscles to near failure during sets maximizes mechanical tension, the primary driver of muscle growth. It also increases overall muscle activation, leading to greater gains. Aim to leave 1 to 2 perfect reps in reserve without compromising your form. While focusing on muscle growth, it's important to ease off on cardio. Although cardio exercises like running and cycling are excellent for burning calories, they can slow down your muscle building progress if overdone. To build muscle quickly, limit your cardio sessions to once a week. This way, you can focus on consuming enough calories to support muscle growth without burning them off. Incorporating more protein and healthy fats into your diet is vital. Protein is essential for muscle building and recovery, while healthy fats keep you satiated and provide necessary nutrients. Aim for protein-rich foods like oily fish, nuts, avocado, eggs, and lean meats. For muscle growth, consume 1.4 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight daily. Additionally, healthy fats from sources like olive oil and dark chocolate can aid in muscle gain. Eating protein with each meal is another key tip. Exercise breaks down muscles, so your body needs protein to rebuild and grow stronger. Pushing your limits in the gym means nothing if recovery isn't part of your routine. That's where Bulmorix Pro steps in. Formulated specifically for those who don't let up on their fitness goals, this powerhouse supplement supports your joints, back, and muscles, helping to reduce discomfort and promote recovery after intense workouts. Make Bulmorix Pro your new workout partner and experience the difference it makes in your training and day-to-day mobility. Click the link in the description to learn more and take the first step towards optimized recovery. Now, snacking on casein protein before bed supports muscle growth overnight. Casein protein is slowly absorbed, providing a steady supply of amino acids to your muscles while you sleep. It's important to understand that building muscle isn't just about what you do in the gym. It's also about how you recover. Recovery is where the real growth happens, and it's crucial to pay attention to your body's needs during this phase. Firstly, sleep plays a significant role in muscle recovery and growth. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, rebuilding the muscle fibers that were broken down during your workouts. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This not only helps in muscle recovery, but also ensures your body is functioning optimally. To improve your sleep quality, create a bedtime routine, keep your sleep environment cool and dark, and avoid screens before bedtime. Another key aspect of recovery is hydration. Water is essential for almost every bodily function, including muscle repair and growth. Dehydration can impair your performance and recovery, so it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drink water before, during, and after your workouts, and consider consuming electrolyte-rich drinks if you're engaging in intense training sessions. Additionally, stretching and foam rolling should be a part of your routine. Stretching helps maintain flexibility and range of motion, which is crucial for performing exercises correctly and preventing injuries. Foam rolling, on the other hand, helps to release muscle tightness and improve blood flow to the muscles, aiding in recovery. Spend a few minutes each day stretching and foam rolling the major muscle groups, especially after your workouts. Let's not forget the importance of rest days. While it's tempting to train every day in hopes of faster gains, your muscles actually need time to repair and grow. Overtraining can lead to injuries and hinder your progress. Schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days per week where you either completely rest or engage in light activities like walking or yoga. Now, let's talk about supplements. In addition to creatine, there are other supplements that can support your muscle building efforts. Branched-chain amino acids BCAAs are popular among athletes and bodybuilders. They help reduce muscle soreness, decrease muscle fatigue, and improve protein synthesis. Taking BCAAs before or after your workout can enhance your recovery and muscle growth. Another beneficial supplement is beta-alanine. This amino acid helps to reduce muscle fatigue, allowing you to perform more reps and sets during your workouts. It also supports endurance, making it easier to push through tough training sessions. Beta-alanine is usually taken as part of a pre-workout supplement. Speaking of pre-workout, these supplements can give you an extra boost of energy and focus for your training. They typically contain ingredients like caffeine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters, which enhance blood flow to the muscles. However, use them with caution and avoid taking them too close to bedtime to prevent sleep disturbances. Let's dive deeper into nutrition. While we've covered protein and healthy fats, carbohydrates are also crucial for bulking up. Carbs provide the energy needed for intense workouts and aid in muscle recovery. Focus on complex carbohydrates like oats, sweet potatoes, brown rice, and whole grains, which provide sustained energy throughout the day. Incorporating a good balance of carbs, protein, and fats in every meal ensures that your body has all the nutrients it needs for muscle growth. Meal timing can also impact your muscle building results. Eating a balanced meal or snack before and after your workouts can maximize your performance and recovery. Pre-workout meals should include a good mix of carbs and protein, such as a banana with peanut butter or a protein shake with oats. Post-workout, aim to consume protein and carbs within 30 minutes to replenish glycogen stores and support muscle repair. A smoothie with protein powder, fruits, and a handful of spinach is a great post-workout option. For those struggling to consume enough calories, eating frequent smaller meals throughout the day can be effective. Instead of 3 large meals, try having 5 to 6 smaller meals, including snacks. This approach not only makes it easier to consume more calories, but also keeps your metabolism active and provides a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. Now, let's address some common mistakes that can hinder your progress. One major mistake is not tracking your progress. Keeping a workout journal or using an app to log your exercises, sets, reps, and weights can help you monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments. It also keeps you motivated as you see your strength and muscle mass increase over time. Another mistake is neglecting proper form. Lifting heavy weights with poor form can lead to injuries and slow down your progress. Focus on performing each exercise with the correct technique, even if it means using lighter weights initially. Consider working with a trainer or watching instructional videos to ensure you're doing each exercise correctly. It's also important to listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or experiencing pain, it's a sign that your body needs rest. Pushing through pain can lead to serious injuries. Instead, give yourself time to recover and come back stronger. Remember, consistency is key, and it's better to take a short break than to be sidelined by an injury. Now, stay patient and stay focused on your goals. Building muscle takes time and dedication. Celebrate your small victories along the way and keep pushing forward. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or an online group, to keep you motivated and accountable. In conclusion, bulking up requires a comprehensive approach that includes proper training, nutrition, recovery, and supplementation. By following these tips and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to achieving your muscle-building goals. Remember to stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and listen to your body. With dedication and perseverance, you can transform your physique and reach your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health for You for more valuable content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this journey towards a healthier, stronger you. Here are 2 more videos that will help you on your path to muscle growth and overall wellness. Thanks for watching.